In this video, I will show you how to create JetPrint account. First, open up your browser and type in JetPrint. Once the results show up, just click on the very first link that comes up. Now that you're on the JetPrint homepage, go ahead and click Sign Up Free. From here, you will need to enter your details. Start with your first name and then last name. Next, type in your email address. Make sure you're using an active email because this is where JetPrint will send you important updates. After that, create a strong password, something secure but easy for you to remember. Then, check the boxes below to agree to the terms and conditions. Once everything looks good, just click Sign Up, and that's how to create JetPrint account.